Mike, report ka na.
Kaya kumakain pa.
Balasay. Report na. Mike.
Okay guys, we're back here live in Baguio. And as what you can see now is the representative number 17. Yes. And they're not performing actually. Okay.
Sino kaharap mo? No?
Maharap kasi
Hindi ko makuha ng tulog. Teka lang. Dito yung moment eh. Hindi mo pa moment. Binigyan na kita ng moment. Mamaya.
yes. Actually, I don't like their performance. Okay, let's just ask one of the audience here.
Okay.
Okay, what can you say about their performance?
Magaling ka mag-host. Una-una sa lahat, napakaganda mo. Wala nang pinagbago yung ganda mo. At lalo pang gumaganda.
Oh, thank you so much. Very well said.
Mga Korean. Yan ang mga Korean. Lakad daw. Ano yan? Feel for? Disabled? Jangkyung! Oh, break na, break na.
Wait. Wait, I'm eating money. Let's pause for a break first. Okay, is that okay?
What is that, Martin?
Ang mani mo.
Okay.
Sarap ang mani mo.
Plenty of money.
Diba? Marami.
Sino mo mabalikan?
Ito yung mga bakalang, nagko-comment sila. Ito naman.
Loy lang naman.